Hey guys, what's up? Quick note for you. So I know a number of you have bought my bleeder pouches from me, and a number of you have probably got bleeder pouches on order. So finally got a little news to hopefully help you guys out on that front. My friend Medic over at Stuck Pig Medical is put together a content kits specifically for my bleeder pouches. So if you buy one of my bleeder pouches, you can go over to his site and get a contents kit for it that'll have everything in it that you need to fit my bleeder pouch. It's going to consist of a cat tourniquet, 2 compressed gauze, a North American Rescue 4-inch emergency bandage, the Hyphen compact vented twin pack chest seal, and a set of trauma shears. So that'll all fit in my bleeder pouch just perfectly, give you everything you need for what that pouch is intended for. Now those will all be done through him. He's putting them together, he's selling them. It'll be something specific. They're not available yet. When they are available, I'll put up another video, but he is working on getting that done, and I'll give you links and all that to it. As far as pricing goes on those kits, he hasn't got that locked in yet, so he's hoping, again, this is not locked in, subject to change, hoping to keep them around $65, but that's not a certainty. Once he actually gets them in hand and knows what cost and everything is, then that'll get set. I'll let everybody know in the update video from there. But just want to give you a heads up so you can start getting ready for my bleeder pouches, and even similar sized pouches to my bleeder pouch. There's other pouches on the market that you guys may be using, which is great. Point is having it. These will probably fit similar sized pouches, and it's just that the bare bones what you need to take care of business. So again, I'll put a link whenever it's up and ready and do another video, but in the meantime you can still go visit Stuck Pig Medical. I'll put a link in the description box down below. So look for that to be coming soon, guys. Thanks as always. I appreciate it. Y'all take care. See you later.